Bro. What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Haikal Hakimi bin Muhammad Jamil, and my ID number is PDL 2402043.
Go.
Bro, what's your name?
Wait. Okay, hello. My name is Muhammad Fatih Azki bin Muhammad Taufik. So my ID number is PDL 2402030.
Bro.
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Muhammad Ali Syamil bin Ahmad Zain. My ID number is PDL 2402055.
Hey! Wake up!
Sorry.
What's your name?
My name is Nurin Hana Yuna binti Muhammad Zaini, PDL 2402017.
Bro, what is your name?
My name is Faiz Syamil bin Abdul Latif and my PDL number is 2402062.
Syamil anak.
Fatih.
Fatih.
Why you guys watching?
I'm watching video types of packaging.
Oh. Type of packaging? What is that?
To know more about types of packaging, let's watch this video.
You all probably think I'm going to get hit by this slipper. No. Let's move on to the introduction part. Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So today I will begin our presentations on types of packagings based on cargo types. In logistics and shippings, packaging plays an important role in protecting cargo during transportations. Different types of cargo have different characteristics such as dry goods, liquid goods, and fragile items. Therefore, using the correct type of packaging is very important to prevent damage, leakage, and loss during transits. In these presentations, my group will explain 10 types of cargo and the suitable packagings used for each cargo. The objectives of this presentation are: first, to identify common types of cargo used in logistics operations. Second, to explain the suitable types of packagings for each cargo. And lastly, to understand the importance of proper packagings in ensuring safe and efficient transportations. This objective will help us to understand how correct packaging supports smooth logistics activities. Now I will continue with cargo 1, which is cement. Cement is classified as a dry bulk cargo. The suitable types of packagings used for cement is bags, usually made of paper or plastic material. This type of packaging is suitable because cement needs protections from moisture, which can damage its quality. Packaging cement in bags also makes it easier for handling, stacking, and transportation. Therefore, using bags as packaging helps ensure cement arrives at its destinations in good condition.
Hi. So, let's continue to the cargo 2. For cargo 2, which is coffee beans. So, the suitable types of packaging used is jute bags. So, jute bags allows good air circulation, which help to reduce moisture and prevent mold from forming. This is important to maintain the quality of the coffee beans during transportation. In addition, jute bags protect the bins from contamination and are easy to handle during loading and unloading. Therefore, jute bags are commonly used in the coffee industry to preserve the quality of coffee beans. So, that's all for the cargo 2. So let's move to the next is cargo 3. Oh, so next is cargo 3, which is cooking oil. The suitable types of packaging is barrels or drums. So this is because cooking oil is classified as a liquid cargo. So barrels or drum can help prevent the leakage and the spillage during the transportation. They both are strong and durable, so it making them suitable for transportation large quantity of oil. Lastly, these types of packaging ensure safety and efficiency during the transportation process. So now, let's move to the cargo 4. So,
Aha! Now, I will present the fourth type of cargo and their packaging, which is chemical acids. The type of packaging used for chemical acid is carboys. Chemical acids are dangerous liquids. They can cause chemical reaction and are harmful if they leak. Carboys are usually made of strong glass which can resist chemical reactions and prevent leakage. This makes the cargo safe during transportation.
nice.
What is an example? For example, acids used in factories or laboratory are stored in glass carboys. These carboys help to ensure the acid is transported safely without spilling. Wait. Don't skip yet. I have one more type of packaging.
Another one.
I want to talk about which is machinery parts is wooden crates. Machinery parts are usually heavy and have irregular shape.
Okay.
For the wooden crates are strong and durable, so they can protect the cargo from impact and damage during transport. What is the example of this packaging? For example, engine parts or industrial machines components are packed in wooden crates. This packaging prevents the parts from moving, breaking, or bending.
So we've seen just now how we handle machinery parts. So I'm going to shift our focus to 3 very different but equally challenging, which is the types of cargo, in the next few minutes.
A few minutes later.
So we will explore how we protect sensitive documents, manage chemical powders, and report bulk liquids. This item requires specialized packaging to ensure they arrive in perfect condition despite the rough environment of global shipping. So let's dive into the types of cargo 6, which is documents. You might think that paper is easy to ship, but in logistics, it is one of the most fragile items. Imagine an original legal contract getting soaked or torn. It could ruin a multi-million-dollar of deal. So that's why we use the jiffy bags to think of these as the bodyguards of the paper. So as you guys can see, the bubble padding you see inside provides a critical crush zone. If a heavier box lands on this in the sorting facility, that padding absorbs the shock. Plus, they are easy and economical. They are self-sealing and lightweight, which keeps our shipping costs low while providing a maximum security. Okay, so we're moving on to the cargo 7, which is a fertilizer. Here we are dealing with thousands of kilograms of powder. So who is our biggest enemy? Absolutely is the moisture. So, fertilizer is highly thirsty. If it gets even slightly damp during a long sea voyage, it clumps together into a solid brick, making it useless for farmers. So, we use these heavy-duty plastic bags because they act as a waterproof shield. They also prevent spillage. Fertilizer can be corrosive or messy if a bag leaks. It is a nightmare to be cleaned. These bags are designed to be tough-skinned to survive being stacked high on pallets without bursting. Lastly, for my part, let's take a look at cargo 8, which is liquid chemicals. This is where packaging gets really clever. Instead of using 50 heavy steel drums, we use one giant mud liquid, as you can see in the image. It is essentially a high-tech industrial bladder that is perfectly inside a shipping container. So, it is incredibly cost-effective when it's empty, if it's flat and light. This means we don't waste money shipping empty containers back. So, to highlight, most importantly, it reduces handling time. You don't need to use a forklift to move individual barrels. You just connect the hose to the valve and pump the liquid out. It's faster, cleaner, and much safer for our crew. So, that's cover our packaging solutions for documents, powder, and liquids. Now, to show you how we handle high-value technology, I will hand to the next presenter to discuss electronics.
Next, I will explain the types of packaging used for different cargo and why choosing the correct packaging is important in logistics. I will focus on electronics and raw carton. For cargo number 9, which is electronics, the packaging used is cartons. So, this is carton used for electronics. Electronics are fragile, so they need good protection during transportation. Cartons help absorb shock and prevent damage during loading, unloading, and long distance transport. Cartons also make electronics easier to handle and stack in warehouse. Labels such as fragile signs and barcodes can be clearly shown, helping workers handle the cargo carefully. Therefore, carton packaging is suitable for electronics because it provides protection and safety. Next, cargo number 10, which is raw carton. The packaging used is baling. So this is raw carton packed using baling. Raw carton is lightweight but bulky, so baling compresses it into tight bundles. This saves space and makes transportation more efficient. Bale carton is easier to handle and stack, and it also protects the carton from damage and contamination. Because of this, baling is the best packaging method for raw carton. In conclusion, different types of cargo require different type of packaging. Choosing the correct packaging helps reduce damage, save costs, and improve efficiency in logistics. Thank you.